Welcome to my channel. My name is Ben Nell. I'm a graduate mechanical engineer and I've been involved in the product development and design for manufacturing process since 1996. My company BPNL Consulting offer an ongoing design for manufacturing consulting service to clients worldwide. My company also offer some training courses in design for manufacture as well as some 3D design templates. My channel is all about giving some advice, some free tips and techniques on design for manufacture. You can also visit our website where you will be able to purchase our consulting service as well as the training courses and design templates. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest courses and templates on offer. You can visit our website with a link down below.